the Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here to do my prompts from Miss Janet Nash's video on Pick 6 from April 26, 2021. I have all the prompts listed here, and I'm not going to do them in the order that I have them listed, so I'm going to get started. First, I'm going to cover up the back of this packaging with my first prompt, which is magazine page 20. It's a magazine page, and it's page 20. So let's look for page 20. It's page 12. 19, 20 is right here. So we're going to take this out, put away the magazine. Now I want to try to capture this here on my packaging here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my glue on, which this is not working, so we're going to go back to dear old trusty or glitter glue here. And what I'm going to do is take this and put it right over my packaging. Okay. And I see some places didn't grab, so I'm going to put more glue and just press it down and go all the way around. And look, keep looking. You keep checking for where the glue didn't attach. I see over here didn't. So I'm going to let this sit for a bit, and I'm going to put something heavy on top. So I'm going to get the drywall tape that I have and let that sit on top of here for a bit. Okay, so I'm going to go to my list here, and I'm going to mark off this one. Okay, and then it says add fabric. Well, I have to let this dry so I can trim it. So we're going to go into add window or doors, which I made my own window and door. Okay, so we have that made. So then we go and we can knock this off, and I'm going to put it all together on the board as soon as this is dried. Okay, now it says tear paper. Now what I done is I took a playing card from this deck here and glued it to some scrapbook paper and cut out a door, and I did the same thing for the windows, for the window, as y'all can see. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, this is my ripped paper. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, there we go. That's better. So we have this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this inside my door. Just like that. Okay. What I've done is took some book paper and put for the background. So we're going to push that down, come over here, put glue there, push that down. So we have our ripped paper and our door. Okay, now let's check this. so we can start piecing everything together. So we can go to our list here and do tear paper. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this here, put it on top. Let me clear all this out and cover my glue up so it doesn't dry in the little nozzle. So I'm going to take this, hold it, and just tear the paper around it. And what I can't get at, I will trim with a pair of scissors. Like right here, I didn't get it too well. So I'm just going to go in with a pair of scissors, or my skizzers as I call them, and trim it to where everything is nice and flush. All the way around. Okay. So now we got the back. I don't want to cover that because I like that picture. Okay, so now, whoo, I'm having to cross the lance over here. We're going to take our door and put our door right here. Or can we do it on this side? No, I don't want to cover up his face. So what I'm going to do is try to see if I can put this as far up as I can. Nah, we're going to leave it as is. We're going to take our door and we're going to glue it there. See, I put some book paper on the back. So I'm just going to go to outline of my door and then a little in the middle. Okay, more on the outline than in the center. Okay, so we have that. Press it on. Then we have our window we can put over here. Well, it calls for window or door. So we have that. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna save the window for something else. Get that out of the way. Take this paper up there. Now we're gonna add our fabric. We're gonna add our fabric right over here. But first, I want to do more ripped paper around the door. Okay, so I'm just going to take random pieces of paper and glue them down. So we have more of a background to go with. Okay, just do that, and then we can take this, take that off, and we can glue this somewhere. Looks like I'm going to have to fill my little bottle back up. I'm running out of ink. I'm running out of glue. So, I need more paper. And I want the same paper. And I don't know what I did with the whole kit and caboodle I had of this. Because I had a whole bag of it. Well, we're going to do some franken paper here. I'm going to tear more. And I want this part here too. So we're going to go in. Add more glue here. A little more glue in the center here. And then we're going to take more of this piece. Okay. And we're just going to glue it on. Any excess, we'll deal with it after. Then we're going to come back to this piece. Add more glue here and on top. I'm going to trim all the excess off later, but I want to get right by my door. And we can glue this like right there. Not on the door, but next to it, like that. So now, take a pair of scissors, trim off the excess everywhere. A little here. And we got that. But I want this piece on there also. Okay, so I'm going to rip this. I'm going to cover right here. I have another bottle of glue somewhere. I keep extras around. I like this better. I only have one piece left and it's right here. And we're going to put it to full use. We're going to leave the book paper somewhat on here. Okay. I'm going to put this over here. And then we have this little piece here. We can stick that over here. This piece. Put a piece up here. And we're going to call that done. I see this one is not sticking, so we're going to put some more glue there. We're going to clear our area while this is drying. Okay. So, we got tear paper. Now we're going to add our fabric after we trim all the excess off. There we go. Now we're going to add our fabric right here. I like that. I got to get a new bottle of glue. So, pardon me for a minute. See, I keep extras. And this one seems to be clogged up a little. There we go. And I'm just going to put the glue right down the center. And then we're going to stick our fabric on. Get our little silicone spatula and try to spread that glue out. Okay. And I see I still need some glue here. So we're going to make that one there. And that's going to be all for the glue. Okay. I'm going to take this, trim it up a bit. There we go. That's all trimmed up. So we can add fabric off of our list. And we do painting with our hand. So I have some paint. Where did I put it? I had some paint right here. Where did it go? Uh-oh. A whole bottle of paint disappeared. Whoa. Okay. Trying to rub all the glue off my fingers. while I'm looking for my paint. Okay, I can't find my paint, so we're going to use this marker. It's the same thing as paint, and all we're going to do is just go in and rub with our fingers, putting color here and there. And now we got that done. So paint with fingers. Now all I need is something purple. Something purple. I'm looking. I'm looking. I'll be right back as soon as I find something purple. Okay, I found a purple popsicle stick. So now, where we're going to put the popsicle stick. Oh, look. Perfect fit. Right there. So we're going to glue that on. We're going to put it like that. And that's my prompts for Miss Janet Nash's Pick 6 or Pick 7 for April 26, 2021. Stay tuned for pictures at the end. I want to thank you all for your support. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, do hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload more content or when I go live or do a premiere. I will say this in closing. Be kind, be blessed, be crafty, stay crafty, be well, and happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.